again mga ka-beauties, and today is another makeup tutorial. And sa makeup tutorial natin ngayon, because it is summer, so summer vibes tayo, and I'm gonna include yellows and oranges and a bit of shimmer. Ito yun, guys. I love how it turned out. Yan. Ang ganda diba ng combination ng yellow and oranges. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. Bring in some oranges and lemons.
Okay mga ka-beauties, so nakapag-moisturizer na ako. I've got my foundation on and nakapagkilay na rin ako. So I'll just go ahead and apply concealer highlighter, and I'm gonna blend that in very well with a damp sponge. And ngayon naman, magko-contour na tayo. Especially dito sa my nose bridge. Yan ang favorite kong kino-contour. Now I'll go ahead and start my eyeshadows with this beautiful orange eyeshadow shade. And para sa base ng ating yellow gold, maglalagay tayo ng eyeshadow base. And then we'll just blend it in from the middle to the inner corners of the eye. Mag-a-apply na tayo ngayon ng bright yellow. We will just pat it in gently para mas intense yung kulay niya. Now for that golden yellow look, maglalagay tayo on top of it ng golden yellow shimmers. Now I'm gonna add a bit of shimmer sa my inner eye area. We're almost done with our eye makeup look. Mag-eyeliner na lang tayo and then falsies, and we're done! And to complete the look, I'm gonna use a nude lipstick from Inglot. And here's our final look mga ka-beauties. Ang ganda! Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.